Something is screaming at us from deep space, and scientists genuinely don't know what it is. Not a theory, not speculation. They literally have no confirmed explanation. In early 2025, astronomers detected an unusual repeating radio signal unlike anything cataloged before. Here's what makes this different from every other space mystery you've heard about. This one breaks the rules we thought were unbreakable. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, have been detected before. Since 2007, scientists have recorded hundreds of these intense millisecond flashes of radio energy. Most last a fraction of a second. Most don't repeat. And most follow patterns we can at least partially explain through neutron stars or magnetars, incredibly dense, magnetized stellar objects. But stop right there. The signal detected and further analyzed in 2025, connected to ongoing studies from the CHIME telescope in Canada and corroborated by international observatories, shows repetition intervals and frequency structures that don't match magnetar behavior. The burst patterns contain what researchers are describing as sub-second quasi-periodic structures, meaning rhythmic pulses within pulses. That's not supposed to happen this way. Here's where it gets genuinely unsettling. The signal originates from approximately 3 billion light-years away. The energy released in a single burst equals what our sun produces in 3 entire days, compressed into milliseconds. You cannot manufacture that kind of power with anything currently in our physics textbook without raising enormous questions. Scientists are not jumping to extraordinary conclusions. That's actually the most alarming part. When researchers are cautious this long, it means the data is resisting every conventional model they apply. Peer-reviewed papers published in late 2024 and early 2025 through journals, including Nature Astronomy, have flagged these anomalous repeating FRBs as high-priority investigation targets precisely because they conflict with existing source models. Now here's the part nobody is saying loudly enough. Our detection technology only became sensitive enough to capture these structural details recently, which means signals like this may have been washing over Earth for centuries. We simply had no ears capable of hearing them properly. The CHIME telescope alone has now cataloged over 1,000 FRB events. But this specific class of structured repeaters represents a tiny, deeply confusing subset. Some researchers propose exotic explanations involving cosmic string interactions. Others suggest unknown magnetar behaviors under extreme conditions. A small but credentialed group refuses to eliminate any hypothesis until the data demands it. What science is doing right now is exactly what it should, staying uncomfortable, staying honest, and refusing to force an answer where none clearly exists yet. The universe is under zero obligation to make sense to us. And somehow that is both terrifying and the most exciting thing about being alive right now. So here's what I need you to think about. If a signal this powerful and this structured is repeating from 3 billion light-years away, what do you genuinely believe is creating it? Drop your answer below, because this conversation deserves real minds in it. And follow this page, because when answers finally come, you'll want to be here first.